welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda, India's most loved primetime show at 10, week after week. I'm Padmaja Joshi. It's that unfortunate time of the year when our national capital is slowly swallowed by a yellow smog of pollution and the buck passing begins. While the pollution response plan has been put into action, the Delhi government's decision to put a total ban on all fireworks has left people seething, especially when in neighbouring AAP-ruled Punjab, Parali burning continues unabated. First, take a look at the terms of the firecracker ban imposed in Delhi. For bursting firecrackers, ordinary citizens are liable to be fined 200 rupees and can be jailed for 6 months. For those found storing, manufacturing or selling crackers, the fines are even steeper, 5,000 rupees and several months in jail. In fact, this time even green firecrackers are disallowed in Delhi. No one wants pollution. Let's be very clear about that. Nobody can support any measure that leads to pollution. We support every effort for clean air. But the question is on sincerity and intent. Why is that? Because while the Aam Aadmi Party, which is in government in Delhi, has carried out a complete crackdown on firecrackers, the same party's government in Punjab has remained blissfully inactive on the issue of stubble burning. Things got especially uncomfortable when the BJP put out a video, believe it or not, of members of the Aam Aadmi Party itself flouting this firecracker ban in Delhi and bursting patakas to celebrate the elevation of MLA Rajkumar Anand to the post of Social Welfare Minister. It's but natural then that the AAP was put on the mat.
पटाखों के जलने से जो प्रदूषण का धुआं जो हमारी आंखों में जलन पैदा करता है, उसमें दिल्ली के साथ साथ एनसीआर का जो पूरा इलाका है वहां भी जो पटाखे जलते हैं उसका भी असर शामिल होता है। इसलिए केंद्र सरकार से, केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्री जी से मेरा ये विनम्र निवेदन है कि दिल्ली की तरह ही एनसीआर का जो इलाका है उसमें भी पटाखों पर सख्ती के साथ प्रतिबंध का अनुपालन किया जाए।
निश्चित रूप से केजरीवाल बगैर गैरत के लोग हैं, उनको गैरत नहीं है, उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है, जबान नहीं है। केजरीवाल साहब के अंदर नैतिकता है तो पुलिस में एफआईआर दर्ज करानी चाहिए और पुलिस को भी कहीं ना कहीं सो कॉल्ड उनको ऑफेंस के खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज करनी चाहिए और पुलिस को एक्शन लेना चाहिए इस बात को लेकर जी। अपने आप सो मोटो भी एक्शन लेना चाहिए जी। कोई क्राइम कर रहा है, पुलिस भी आंख बंद करके बैठी रहेगी, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। ये लोग डरने लगे हैं न्यूसेंस केजरीवाल से और अधिकारी इस बात को आगे बढ़ने का प्रयास नहीं करते। अगर वहां मंत्री के मंत्रालय के ओथ लेने पर पटाखे चलाए जा रहे हैं, चलाने वाले मंत्री माफी मांगे या मंत्री के खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज होनी चाहिए।
Action should be taken, but it should be taken evenly against everyone. And when it is not taken against the real polluters, it makes one ask, are festivals an easy target, a quick fix if you were? It makes a big bang message, but does it really have any effect on pollution? Actual offenders are being ignored because they are a vote bank, is it? Why is the same Aam Aadmi Party penalizing Diwali and ignoring Parali?
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
R.P. Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins us along with Tushar Gupta, senior editor of Swaraj, Abhishek Sudhir, political analyst, Parvinder Singh Sethi, political analyst, and political analyst Akil Khan with me in the studio. जिनसे मैं पहला सवाल पूछूंगी, जैसे कि एक बहुत फेमस मीम बन गया है अब अकील खान साहब, हिपोक्रेसी की भी कोई सीमा होती है?
Hypocrisy. I am very much surprised you are calling hypocrisy for one incident. Huh?
No, sir.
There are so many.
I am not even talking about Rajkumar Anand. आप वो छोड़ दीजिए. I am asking you simply, पराली जो लोग जला रहे हैं, उन पे एक्शन कब होगा?
You are talking about Punjab, no? Which
I'm talking about Punjab.
Okay,
yes.
Okay. I will answer first. In Punjab, the Indian Agriculture Research Institute has given this message that in Punjab there is 3-year low in parali burning. Last year the lowest parali burning in Punjab and the highest in Uttar Pradesh. Modi ji, what you will tell about this and what your environment minister tell about this? You are just beating about the bush and you are not going to the root cause of the problem. You are just
What is the root cause of the problem?
Root cause of the problem is you are at the center. You must take initiative, you must plan in a proper way. You must make the policies that this should be the right
अरे
approach
सर
to do
स्पेसिफिक
something.
बात कीजिए ना. You must make a plan. You must make a policy. I will quote to you. I will quote to you, sir. Hold on, sir. Hold on. I will quote to you. I will quote to you somebody very learned and intelligent.
It takes lot of time.
Sir, I haven't been an engineer, but I have eyes and I can read.
To plan first.
I am sure.
Which is failed. This BJP government is failed in doing all kinds of planning. Forget about pollution only.
Mr.
Total
Khan,
planning failure.
Mr. Khan,
Economically, politically, socially.
Mr. Khan, you're just saying things which are not really a statement. Now you're just saying things. You must make a plan. You must make a policy. Modi
This is fundamental. The pollution is the problem, and the environmental problem is very big. And what they are doing, international agencies are criticizing India that they are not doing anything.
Respect a lot, and somebody who is very intelligent.
Flooding is there. So much raining is there.
Wants to respond to you. Hold on a second. This is becoming
so
very
many bigger things are there. You are just
many bigger things are there.
Padaka was bought by somewhere.
Hold on a second. Hold on, okay? Jokes aside, hold on. Tushar Gupta, before I come to you, I want to go to RP Singh, but before I go to RP Singh also, I want to quote to you Mr. Khan, somebody who I respect a lot, very learned. And he says, Punjab will become free from stubble burning if Aam Aadmi Party forms a government in the state. We'll rope in the district administration in Punjab and spray Pusa biodecomposer in fields for free, like we have been doing in Delhi.
You want
it's
miracles?
not so tough, but you need willpower.
We have done it.
This
we have
very
started
learned
already.
person
It is
is
showing.
Gopal Rai, Environment Minister, and he said this on 8th of October 2021. Today is the 20th of October 2022. I want to know, 1 साल 12 दिन पहले गोपाल राय जी ने कहा था आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी, पराली बर्निंग खत्म हो जाएगी.
It is already on the way. What you were doing for tens of years.
Okay,
what was going on tens of years?
That makes it so much better, sir. कि मतलब pollution इतना नहीं है, pollution इतना हो गया.
Mr. Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
The Vishwa Guru. First he should become India Guru.
अरे, sir, अब now you are again just saying things. Okay, wait, just let's cut down on the rhetoric. RP Singh, let's start with this. It's on the way. अभी आगाज किया है, अभी अंजाम तक पहुंचेगा. RP Singh. पोल्यूशन ऑलरेडी कम हो गया है, कह रहे हैं अकील खान जी.
Started already.
अभी आपको लगता है दिल्ली में कितनी साफ हवा है कंपेयर्ड टू लास्ट ईयर. एकदम शिमला जैसी.
3 years low.
3 years लो. RP Singh 3 years लो.
अकील खान साहब, अगर आपकी छूट हो तो मैं थोड़ा अपनी बात कह लूं, माफी चाहता हूं.
मैडम इज देयर.
हाँ, मार्च में 215 ये था AQI, अप्रैल में 256, मई में 212, जून में 303. 50 से ज्यादा अगर AQI हो तो खतरे की घंटी बज जानी चाहिए. दिल्ली में जितनी महिलाएं गर्भवती हैं उनको दिल्ली छोड़कर दिल्ली सरकार को उनको मुआवजा देना चाहिए कि सेफ जगह जाकर अपना बच्चा कर आए फिर वापस आए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हालत नहीं है. ये जितनी AQI मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये अभी तो 600-700 AQI. मिस्टर अकील खान प्लीज, मैंने आपको टोका क्या, मैं आपको 10 बार टोक सकता था बीच में.
बट सर, इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर
ये है स्थिति दिल्ली की, ईमानदारी की, परंतु ये
This is a figure, not mine.
Please let him finish.
सर आप
Yes, go on, Mr. RP Singh.
आप बैबल करना बंद करें तो थोड़ा मैं अपना बैबल करना थोड़ा बंद करें.
क्या आप इतना डिस्टर्ब हो गए जरा से में.
आपने कहा था कि हम इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर साइंस से हम वो डिकम्पोजर लेकर जाएंगे. we'll take the decomposer to Punjab and we'll show that that's distributed in Punjab and no one burns Barali. But आप मुझे बता दीजिए, मैंने चेक कर लिया पूसा से, इस बार पंजाब के लिए 0 खरीदा डिकम्पोजर. आपने कितना डिकम्पोजर खरीदा पंजाब से? चेक करा दी पंजाब के लिए पूसा से 29 लाख रुपए का खरीदा था और लगभग 63 लाख का विज्ञापन दे दिया था उसके लिए कि हमने डिकम्पोजर यूज किया है. टीवी पे, रेडियो पे, अखबार में लगा था.
सिंपल चीज मिस्टर अकील खान, मिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल last year on the 17th of October, exactly 1 year ago, said, for the past 1 month I have been tweeting data of air quality in Delhi. Pollution has increased in the last 3-4 days and it is all because of stubble burning in neighboring states. Farmers in neighboring states are compelled to burn stubble as their governments are doing nothing for them. When we come into government it in Punjab.
You are not.
We will stop this.
Why
Really?
UP is
Really?
not being
If this is-
targeted?
Okay.
Why not?
So-
Because it is BJP's.
अच्छा, so now it is about Uttar
regime.
Pradesh. तुषार गुप्ता, it is about Uttar Pradesh.
कल तक पंजाब था, आज यूपी हो गया।
अचानक पंजाब से
Punjab
साफ हवा आ रही है।
has brought it down very much.
Punjab has brought it down.
And
Okay.
Indian Agriculture Institute has certified this.
Right. So let's figure out just a second, Mr. RP Singh. Let me get in Tushar Gupta also because he's just travelled across. Let's figure out from him कि ये पोल्यूशन किधर से आ रहा है तुषार गुप्ता. मिस्टर अकील खान से पंजाब से तो अब आ ही नहीं रहा. पंजाब से तो ऑक्सीजन पे ऑक्सीजन आ रहा है. ऑक्सीजन पे
What
ऑक्सीजन.
about UP? What about Haryana?
Okay, let him answer. Let him answer, Tushar Gupta.
Padmaja,
Go
to
on,
begin
Tushar
with,
Gupta.
let's call out Mr. Khan's bluff one by one.
Yes.
Let's call out Mr. Khan's bluff one by one. These are the maps that are also on my Twitter timeline. You see the stubble burning in the last 10 days, where it is accumulated. It's in Punjab. Now let's go to another map from 2021. Every year we act surprised, or there is stubble burning going on, the air quality level is going down in Delhi. These are the trends for 2021. You know why Mr. Khan says that the stubble burning in Punjab is at a low today? Even if he is true, because it hasn't peaked yet. It is going to peak
It is UP
this
and
week.
Haryana, my friend.
The problem, Padmaja, is that every year we act surprised that where is stubble. Mr. Khan, 1 second. 1 second. Every year we act surprised that there is stubble burning happening. Kejriwal today is defending the same farmers. He stood with them on Singhu. Now coming to stubble burning. Padmaja, you don't even need to travel across very in-depth in Punjab into the inner areas. Take a trip from the GT Karnal road where the farmers were sitting in Singhu, where Kejriwal was defending them, all the way to Amritsar. You can see fields on the side of the highway being burned.
Yeah.
That is where stubble burning is happening everywhere in Punjab. And it's going to get worse in the next 1 week. But Arvind Kejriwal has the audacity to say,
You
if you
don't
store,
believe
store
Indian
or
agriculture
manufacture
research
crackers,
He is showing
I'll
you
fine you
maps of the
5,000
stubble
rupees. I
burning
don't
that is-
believe.
They have taken care of everything. Everything they've taken care of. This is Indian Agriculture Research
Mr. Khan,
Institute.
1 second.
You
Mr.
are
Khan,
not
Mr. Khan,
bothered
Mr. Khan,
about
quiet. Mr.
UP
Khan,
and
quiet.
Haryana.
Quiet.
You are bothered about the
Mr.
place
Khan,
where,
quiet.
Aam Aadmi Party
Mr.
is
Khan,
ruling.
quiet.
You are not concerned about
Mr.
BJP.
Khan.
BJP has come out of heaven.
Mr.
And
Khan,
they
quiet.
are the scent of this country. And they cannot do anything wrong with the country. They are doing
Mr.
it.
Khan.
And they're done.
Mr. Khan,
You are
I don't
just,
know if you can
Padmaja,
see the
thinking you
data
are
in
taking
front
the
of
side
you.
of BJP,
Mr.
nothing else.
Khan, I don't know if you
must
can
be
see
objective.
the... Sir, now you're just heckling. You're just heckling now.
No, no.
I
Mr.
don't
Khan,
know if you
let me
can
see
see
this.
the data. Can
If
you
you
just please,
are-
Mr. Khan? Mr. Khan.
Padamja, if you want to discuss, you must discuss objectively, not subjectively.
Sir,
This is
I
the
am showing you
fundamental of
data
any
from
debate.
Punjab over just the last 10 days.
You objectively discuss where the Parali is burning more, which is the problem areas, where it is coming out, this pollution coming up. You must discuss that. Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party. Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party. Kejriwal. That's all. You have
Okay.
nothing. You have nothing.
Okay, Tushar Gupta, go
Padmaja,
on.
may I
What is it that
continue?
you're showing? Yes.
Padmaja, may I continue?
Yes, continue.
Mr. Khan, if you can go on the internet, if beyond the rhetoric, can you go on the internet? Check out for this map. It's also on my Twitter timeline. Look at the stubble burning in the last 10 days. Where is it coming from? From Punjab. Today, Arvind Kejriwal tells the residents
You are
of Delhi
wrong.
that I'll fine you X amount.
You are
I'll
wrong.
put you in prison for X months if you burst crackers. Can he say the same to the farmers of Punjab that I will fine you, I will put you in prison if you burn stubble? No, he cannot.
Who is
Padmaja,
responsible?
today
Who
the
is at the
Supreme Court of
center?
India
Are
says that
center
Hindu
cannot arrest
should
people
spend
in
money
Punjab.
on
No, so
sweets.
let me ask you
Can
this,
he say
Abhishek
that?
Sudhir.
Can the
Hold on a
Supreme-
second.
What they are doing?
Are
Modi
sir,
ji,
center cannot
Modi
go-
is drinking
Okay.
Irani chai and
Okay.
sleeping.
Again,
What they
Mr.
are
Khan,
doing?
you are just saying things
You
now.
are just passing on the bucks.
Abhishek
Nothing else.
Sudhir, hold on a second. Abhishek Sudhir, hold on. So far in Delhi, the Delhi police has arrested 6 people for storing and selling firecrackers, and 2,000 kgs of firecrackers have been seized. How many arrests have been made in Punjab for Parali burning? And why not? Why not? Sir, किसी और को बोलने दीजिए भगवान के लिए. Abhishek Sudhir.
Well, Padmaja, look, first of all, the cracker ban in Delhi is pretty much flowing from Supreme Court orders and directions. There are so many over the years. Today there was a plea filed by Manoj Tiwari, BJP MP, and for an urgent hearing, he was not granted that urgent hearing. The court basically said that people need to breathe. Now, whether I disagree or agree with what the court said, I am not going to question the majesty of the court, because I'm not going to now sit and say the court is anti-Hindu or just because somebody bans crackers or anti-Hindu, right? It's a public health issue.
But the green firecrackers were banned at the instance of the Aam Aadmi Party government. They went a step further and said, no, even green firecrackers are not allowed, which is fine.
Right.
Okay, you want to do it, do it. But why not make arrests for parali burning? I want to ask you, why haven't you arrested for parali burning?
Padmaja, the issue is simply one of this, right? As far as the farmers are concerned, it's their right to livelihood that's affected. Now, you will say the people who make the crackers, their right to livelihood is also affected, and I'm not going to deny that. But the fact of the matter is, Punjab feeds most of North India,
but that
right?
doesn't
Punjab
mean it gets to
is one of the food bowls of India.
What
so
kind
the farmers
of logic is
are...
this? Punjab feeds most of North India. Doesn't mean it can poison all of North India.
Of course, Padmaja, let me make my point. Let me just make my, I'll just make my point. The point is simply this: you can't throw every farmer in jail. You have to find a solution. Now, the government of Punjab has said that we have found a solution, or we're going to find a solution.
When?
They've been in power for 7 months. By next year, the problem is as it is.
Did Punjab government took any initiative?
Look, Mr. Singh.
What are the initiatives taken by the Punjab government? Let us know that.
The farmers of Punjab have, the farmers of Punjab have rejected you. How many seats did you win? How many seats did you win? How many seats did you win in Punjab? How many seats? How many seats did you win in Punjab? How many seats did you win in Punjab?
As many seats as you won in
When did you last form the government in Punjab?
You're not there. The point is, why haven't arrests been made?
The farmers have
how many seats did you win? Then you don't say anything about
farmers have rejected you. No. You withdrew the farm laws. You've attacked the farmers. So now, RP Singh, you want farmers to be arrested. Is it the stand of the BJP that farmers of Punjab should be arrested? You want farmers arrested?
What is the initiative taken by the government?
RP Singh, do you want the farmers of Punjab arrested?
So is the Aam Aadmi Party stand that people who want to celebrate Diwali should be arrested? Is it the stand of the Aam Aadmi Party that any person who wants to celebrate Diwali should be arrested? Is that the stand?
How much farmers are with you?
Celebrating Diwali and burning firecrackers are two separate issues.
Similarly, farming and burning parali are two separate issues. Farming and burning parali don't go hand in hand. You're making them seem synonymous. As if parali jalane ke alawa farming mein kuch bacha hi nahi. Aap farming kijiye bhai. Parali mat jalaiye. Aur ye humne nahi kaha. Ye to Gopal Rai ji ne kaha tha. Ki parali is poisoning Delhi. Humne nahi bola. Aam Aadmi Party ke mantri bol rahe the.
Please educate me. Why do farmers burn stubble?
Sir, ask Gopal Rai. He spoke extensively about it last year when you weren't in government.
So you don't know.
Ask Arvind Kejriwal. Ask Arvind Kejriwal.
You don't know why farmers burn stubble. Is that what you're saying?
No, let me tell you why do farmers burn stubble.
You actually don't know.
Because they have to sow the next... because they have to sow the next round of the field. That's why they burn parali. But the issue is...
Correct. हम उनको arrest करेंगे क्या?
How many buses have you
अपनी खेती कर रहे हो?
3,782 buses only. In Delhi needs 50,000 buses today. What have you done for Delhi?
You want to arrest Annadatas? You want to arrest Annadatas?
Okay, so let me just say it. Hold on a second. So are you saying, Abhishek Sudhi, that the Aam Aadmi Party's official stand is that stubble burning will not be punished because they are Annadatas? Is that the stand? That Annadatas should be allowed to burn stubble, irrespective of the outcome. Let the people of Delhi know. Is that the stand of the Aam Aadmi Party? That Annadatas will get a free run?
A solution has to... I don't know what the official stand of the party is.
The party's stand is that the Annadatas will choke NCR. That's the stand of the Aam Aadmi Party. That they will choke NCR. It's not about farming, it's not about stubble burning. They literally are shameless, unapologetic about the idea of choking the residents of NCR.
Please learn to take part in a civil debate.
That is what their stance is.
Please, this is a civil debate. This is a civil debate. Stop screaming. I didn't interrupt you when you were showing your timelines.
You're literally saying it's okay to choke the people of NCR because Punjab's farmers are Annadatas. Tell me how.
You know, with the greatest of respect, let me say this, sir. You know, this Annadata argument has been used as a fig leaf for far too long. 26 January, there is people who are rolling through the streets of Delhi with tractors. Don't say anything because they are Annadatas. Then a poor man is killed and strung up at Singhu border. Nobody in Aam Aadmi Party says anything because, well, Annadatas.
Where does
Now
the food on
Parali
your table
burning is
come from?
happening and you're saying no, we cannot take any
You're comparing
action
somebody
because
who burns a
Annadata.
cracker.
Sir, this action
You're comparing burning of
somehow,
firecrackers
hold on a
with what
second, sir,
farmers
and Mr.
do.
Sethi, I want to bring you at this point. This is ridiculous. You will demonize a man or a woman or a child who wants to set off a cracker. Let me say again, every possible step against pollution should be taken. But God forbid, a child sets off a firecracker, आप 6 महीना उसे जेल में डाल देंगे. But Parali burning Annadata. अरे उससे क्या बिगाड़ दिया बच्चे ने? वो भी एक अनार ही जला रहा है भाई. उसको तो आपने 6 महीने जेल में डाल दिया.
यूपी एंड हरियाणा.
Sir, I am saying.
Crackers.
Sir, I am saying. Okay, again, Mr. Khan, please stop heckling. I am requesting you.
Two places the illegal crackers were burned and people were.
But there is no cracker burning.
Akil, Mr. Khan, Mr. Khan,
Modi is taking action.
Mr. Khan, hold on a second. You.
I tell you, Mr. Javadekar announced in.
Arey, Mr. Javadekar is not even environment minister. Why are you getting in Javadekar? Hold on a second. Okay, Mr. Khan, now you're just heckling.
Prove that what they have done for so many days, so many months together.
Mr. Khan, I'm sorry, you are misusing your position of being in the studio to just heckle people. Parvinder Sethi.
Not for isolated.
Parvinder Sethi. बच्चों ने क्या बिगाड़ा है कि बच्चों को जेल में डाल देंगे, बट पराली बर्निंग में कहेंगे अन्नदाता.
नहीं ऐसा.
मिस्टर खान प्लीज. मिस्टर सेठी,
मैं आपको बताता हूं. देखिए, जो पर्यावरण एंड एनवायरनमेंट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट थ्रेट टू द सोसाइटी. उसके बहुत सारे रीजन हैं, चाहे कंस्ट्रक्शन का रीजन हो, चाहे इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन हो, चाहे गाड़ियों का रीजन हो. उसके अंदर एक पराली भी रीजन है, लेकिन पराली का हमें सोल्यूशन देना है.
सर, पराली सबसे बड़ा रीजन है,
दे चुके हैं.
सबसे बड़ा रीजन पराली है. पर पराली आधी आंखों के सामने जले जा रही है. हमें लोग कह रहे हैं अन्नदाता.
सोल्यूशन दीजिए.
नहीं, पराली का सोल्यूशन दे दिया.
क्या है सोल्यूशन?
पराली का सोल्यूशन दीजिए ना. उसमें दिवाली.
पराली का सोल्यूशन दे दिया है भगवंत मान जी ने कल इसके ऊपर एक प्रोग्राम रखा है. उसका कुछ समय दीजिए. आप देखिए, जब दिवाली आती है, जो अस्थमैटिक लोग हैं, जिनको सांस की प्रॉब्लम है,
सांस में सांस आ गई, कल आपने प्रोग्राम रखा.
नहीं, प्रोग्राम में
ये तो बहुत अच्छा सोल्यूशन है.
What Mr. Yogi?
आप सुन नहीं रहे.
ये बहुत अच्छा सोल्यूशन है. कल आपने प्रोग्राम रख के बहुत अच्छा किया.
They are at least planning.
अरे कमाल कर रहे हैं आप.
अरे
ये कैसे डिबेट है?
मिस्टर खान,
ये
अगेन यू आर
कैसे डिबेट है?
तुषार गुप्ता, सर अगर आप सच में, एक सेकंड मिस्टर सेठी, अगर दिवाली के 2 दिन पहले आपका पोल्यूशन प्लान है कि हमने प्रोग्राम रखा है, तब तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. तुषार गुप्ता, प्रोग्राम रखा है, काम डाउन, प्रोग्राम कल होगा. तुषार गुप्ता.
Padmaja, allow me one uninterrupted minute, please. To summarize the last 25 minutes we've been discussing, one of the Mr. Khan says that पंजाब में पराली बर्निंग ही नहीं हो रही. दूसरे सूडो आम आदमी पार्टी स्पोक्सपर्सन कहते हैं कि पंजाब का किसान अन्नदाता है. इसके लिए एनसीआर रेजिडेंट्स को चोक करना सही है.
नहीं देगा, मेरा गला
ये
खराब हो
कहाँ
जाएगा.
का लॉजिक है?
Oh, you are liar.
Go on, Tushar Gupta, please just finish your point quickly. Yes.
Padmaja, my one simple... the summary of this entire debate is that the Aam Aadmi Party stance is, we are not going to find the farmer of Punjab. They are the Andatas. The NCR residents can choke. They can have breathing problems. We don't care. We are going to continue a stance of banning crackers. We are going to choke the residents of NCR because Punjab ka kisan Andata hai. Game end.
The very simple point is, over just the last few days, Punjab has seen 436 fires. We don't need to give you any data. Anyone living in the National Capital Region, look out of your window. Mr. Khan, आप अभी बाहर निकलेंगे ना यहाँ से, और आप किसी को बोलेंगे कि हमने सोल्यूशन निकाल लिया है, बाहर की हवा आपको सबसे अच्छा जवाब दे देगी. Anyhow, the point is very simple. No sir, I trust my eyes and I trust my lungs when you have a burning sensation. Simple point is, you need to have a pollution plan in place.
They are not listening anybody. They are not bothered about anything. They are just burning. They are killing the people, and you are not talking about them. Only Punjab, You are not believing Indian Agriculture Research Institute? Who has said this? UP at the top of Parali burning.
There needs to be action taken against pollution. but it needs to be taken
Khan, is this
even-handedly, and that has been our only cry right since the beginning. You cannot have cosmetic measures and say दिवाली तो हम बंद कर देंगे, पर पराली एक्शन लेने में हमें डर लगता है. क्यों लगता है? That will provide you the answer to everything. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for joining.
Two places blast.